you're doing anything wrong.
It's all good.
Go ahead and follow these guys out. We're gonna put a big gap on them though. So just go like this speed, don't even speed up, and just let them pull way ahead.
Yeah, okay.
And we're gonna do kind of a connect the dots with the cones, and that's what will make us go on a nice smooth line.
Cool.
Yeah, you're doing great. Just sit tight, let him get way up.
Gotcha.
Don't stop, keep moving.
All right.
Yeah, okay, now we can go ahead and pick it back up. That's a good gap. All right, so as we come around here, you're gonna see the green apex cones on your side.
Yep.
You can go ahead and just accelerate up through here. You can go ahead and go as fast as you're comfortable. All right. And you can go full throttle all the way out here. Track out to my side, up towards the wall. All the way out. No brakes here, just turn down. Go back out to my side. Hard on the brakes here. Yeah, brakes work well.
Yeah.
All the way to the double cones. Don't turn in early, now turn in.
All right.
Perfect. Early on the gas here, go ahead full throttle through here. Get the car back on your side. All the way, little brakes, all the way to the double cones. Turn into my side now. Look for the green cone on my side, drive down to it, and then accelerate out to the orange cones. And then this is a little tricky. Come in tight to my side.
Yep.
Stay on my side. Now quick back to your side. Stay on your side. Stay on your side. Straight to the orange cones. Back to my side. Again, stay on my side. Way on my side. All the way out. Yeah, fantastic.
Great.
Now turn back into your side. The green cone. Full throttle all the way. Just put her to the floor. We're going to drive all the way up towards the wall. Nice and tight. Turn down. Don't use the brakes anymore. You actually accelerate a little bit around the corner. Cones on your side. Tighten it up there. Perfect. Now full throttle out of here. Let the car just walk back out to my side. Perfect. A little lift, no brakes though. Okay, my side of the track. Brake a little hard here. Alright, off the brakes. Now turn in. Get on the gas early here. Full throttle. Nice. Alright, my side, go ahead and brake all the way to that double cone. Now turn in. You're doing awesome. You have this thing dialed in.
Thank you.
All the way in. Accelerate out here. Remember the line last time. You did perfect.
Alright, great.
Back into my side. Back to your side. Here, a little more speed. All the way out. Back to my side. Stay wide on my side. Now lots of throttle around here. But keep it tight.
Yeah.
Nice. Let her rip, yeah. Alright, this is going to be our last lap. You're doing awesome. Yeah, a little bit of brakes. Now off the brakes. No brakes through here. Just turn down. Coast just like this. Lots of steering. Get on the gas. Stay on the throttle. Full throttle now. All the way out. Brakes here, beat him this time. Off the brakes, turn in. My side, hard brakes. You're going to catch him fast. All right. Back to your side. We're almost done, so we're not going to bother passing him.
All right, yeah.
So just go ahead and just do what you're doing. You're doing fantastic.
Thank you.
All right. Hard brakes, all the way to the cones. Turn in. A little tighter on my cone. Yeah, nice. Throttle out. Off the gas, turn in. Back hard. Squirt of throttle. Back in. And this is where we dial it back a little bit. You can still go fast, but just we're gonna pit in.
Pit in, yeah.
Nice. So what'd you think?
That was awesome.
Man, you did really well.
Thank you.